What's going on? This is Always Occupied, where we always do DIY and home product reviews. So, home product reviews, house products, whatever. This is something you may need. This is a metal drill bit set from Neiko, and this I got from Amazon. It is about $11, I think. Now, if you get this from Home Depot, Lowe's, just one of these, just one is like outrageous, $30, $40 for one. And, you know, I have an ugly drum, you know, you'll see me use it. I have an ugly drum. I want to install a thermometer on there, right? And to drill through metal easily, these should work. Okay, so right here in this Neiko set is 3 drill bits, right? All right, one is a 6-step, which is that one right here. All right, so six steps means the different measurements on each step. So you got 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6 steps. All right, now we have a 13 step, which will be probably the tallest one right here. And 9 steps, which would be this one. Okay, so you got each step. So you got 3/16, ½ inch, a 1/4 inch. You have 3/4, 1/8, 5 30 seconds, 7 30 seconds, 9 30 seconds, all 15 30 seconds, a whole, you have the whole 9 yards with this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it out the pack, I'm gonna show it to y'all, and then we are going to put it in use. So stay tuned. All right, okay, had to run and get the box cutter. All right, so let's open this thing. All right, and like I said, this is 11 bucks, guys. I mean, you can't really beat that. I mean, you might could find them something else cheaper, but shoot, 10 bucks for me is cheap enough. I'm not spending, bro, I'm not spending $40 for one of these things that I will use probably once every 5 years. So to drill, if you drilling through metal, it might be your work, or you know, you might be doing some type of project where you trying to sift, maybe like you trying to sift dirt and you trying to drill metal holes in like a sheet metal so you could sift dirt or something like that. Other than that, you're not going to be using this that much. So I don't even think I'm gonna get a lot of views on it, but I just wanted to show y'all, just to show it to y'all. So here we go. All right, come on, get in focus. All right, don't know if y'all can see it. All right, it's not coming in clear. So basically you have, you know, 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16. So each one, if you want to do a smaller hole, you got your chance to do smaller holes with it. So, and the beauty of this is 3 of them. You get 3. So when you're done, you have these on hand. Maybe a friend might need to use it or something. I don't know, but it's good. So let's put it in action. Okay, everyone. Got the DeWalt drill gun. This is 20 volts, no 18 volts, 20 volts. It's a little bit older, but I got the bits. Right now I'll use one. Y'all need y'all probably just want to see one. So let's use, my food is right here, so the thermostat will be right here. So, all right, let's see this in action. Hold on, give me 1 second. All right, here we go, right in the middle. I'm taking my time with it. And that's it. It worked good. All right, here's the tip. Come on, can you get in focus? All right, y'all see the tip? Tip look okay. Don't look like nothing wrong with it. So that is the Neiko drill bits, okay? Just wanted to show it to y'all. It looks a little, does it look chipped? Well, y'all let me know, but it don't look chipped to me. But it is what it is. Okay, so that's the Neiko review, and let me know what y'all think. My opinion, don't bother, it don't matter to me, because this is probably the only time I'm ever going to use these, to be honest. So like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think about these three metal drill bit sets, and yeah, take care, have a good one.